My name is Rajiv and we are representing Shree TMT, which is from Devashree Ispat group, a group of Goenkas. Right. We are here to present our steel to the market, to all the builders. We have a unique rib patterns which defines our steel. If you see our steel, we have 3x rib patterns which in fact enhances bonding with the concrete by 9 to 14%. This has been specifically defined and established by Lucid Laboratories. Thus, not only these 3x rib patterns but all the physical and chemical parameters of TMT 550 grade are duly met by Shree TMT 550. All the big builders, contractors and infrastructure companies have been using Shree TMT and wholeheartedly have supported and used Shree TMT for their projects. This Shree TMT to even independent builders or even independent house owners or makers, to use this Shree TMT FE 550 grade for their project, for their homes, irrespective of the size, to ensure the longevity of their houses and homes. The Shree TMT, which gives the internal strength to every single house, be it single floor or be it skyscrapers. Colleague engineer Dinesh is showing to you, we have 8 mm to 32 mm of steel bars, and each single bar has got 3x rib patterns which are clearly defined. Right. This ensures once again the strength with the concrete. What engineer Dinesh is holding is 12 mm bars. You can clearly see the 3x rib patterns on this bar which are clearly defined and which I mentioned that they enhances bonding. And this rib bars and the physical attributes and the chemical attributes are exactly as per IS 1786. So when you are using Shree TMT for your projects, independent house, you can use Shree TMT with full confidence, faith and trust.